Hey, welcome back. You know what we're getting ready to do? Add some AI standard shader to it and get a really beautiful render like the one right behind me. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so this is what he looks like with basic lighting. What we can do is increase, actually duplicate this slide, bring it over, right? Kind of rotate it so that it's looking at our friend, Mr. Ruben, who I stepped on. Not very excited about that, Mr. Ruben. And I'm just going to just light this background. Okay. Let me increase the light a little more. Now it's time for us to assign materials to Mr. Ruben. So there's a head. We're going to right mouse click and hold, assign new material, and we'll go to AI standard surface. We can change the IOR to plastic. And then we could change the color to pink. All right, so where is pink? Go. A more red. As you can see, it's a little bit too pink. Our diffuse, actually our specular roughness, we could change it to like 0.5. It's a little bit more of a matte finish. The higher you go, the lower number, you can see it's shinier. Okay. So this particular character, let's actually open up our reference images and take the color from there. So you go to our attribute editor, call this pink, and then I'll click on the color swatch. Actually, looks a little more brown in the render. Let's increase it more red. And then we'll click on the rest of his body. And then we'll right mouse click and hold, assign existing material, and go to the pink. Okay. And then his nose, let's go here. I'll have to shade. Leave unused nodes. And I'll click by his nose. Right mouse click and hold, assign new material. AI standard surface. Let's call this nose. And we change the ILR to plastic. And the roughness I had on this guy was 0.855. So I'll do the same thing for that. 0.855. And the color of this nose is a lighter pink. Okay. And then his nostrils, right mouse click and hold, face, click here, hold shift, right mouse click and hold, assign new material, AI standard surface, and we're going to call this nostril, STRIL, and IOR, plastic. The color is, let's see, color, that, and then let's click on here. Sweet. It's coming along, guys. It's coming along, ladies and gents. Okay, last but not least, assign, right mouse click and hold, assign new material, AI standard surface, and we're going to call this grass block. And same thing, specular roughness, IOR, plastic roughness. Let's change that to maybe like 27. And we'll make it green. Find that color. There we go. And I think our background might need some sprucing up. So we'll go ahead and do the same exact thing. Change it to white. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. We have just created Rueben. Thank you, Rueben, for being the source of today's inspiration and allowing me to step on you. It hurt really bad. Guys, go ahead and like, subscribe, click on the notifications, let your family and friends know how cool this tutorial was, share it, and in the next tutorial, I will see you guys, and we'll actually create some other really cool Minecraft toys. Let's give this a second so it can finally render. But again, thank you so much for your time and your patience today. Peace. Thank you so much for your time and your patience today. Let's go ahead and see what the final render looks like. That is it. This render turned out better than I thought it would be. It looks really beautiful. All right, and that concludes this tutorial. You did it. We did it together. If you really enjoyed this content, please share, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.